Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a fairy. First we sketch a circle for the head and we indicate the center of the face. And we draw the side of the head with an oval. I'm using the Loomis method as always. Let's do a line coming down for the center of the face and then we draw the features. A line for the eyebrows and the eyes, which will be shut, then the nose, the mouth and the chin. If you are having a hard time seeing the pencil line, I recommend you to increase the video quality. You can do this pressing the button of the settings on the lower right of the video and choosing the highest quality available. I'm using a 203 mechanical pencil and the lead I selected for the sketch is the 0.5mm HB. That's of a medium hardness. The complete list of materials is in the description below the video. When drawing the hands, I first do a general shape, similar to a mitten glove with no fingers, to get the right proportion first, and then we do the detail. I have a video on how to easily draw hands and I'm adding the link on the screen. She will be holding a large seashell, which she's about to blow. And since she's a fairy, she will have wings, thin wings. Okay, very good. Now we can begin shading. This is so fun and relaxing. I love drawing so much. I don't like the wing I had sketched. Let's do it differently. More like a butterfly. Yeah, that's better. I am trying to do this drawing very delicately, since she's a fairy. And let's keep shading. I will push the darks a little bit more, and of course leaving the white of the paper for the lights. I invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @ArtistLeonardo to be able to show you some new projects and new art, as well as a giveaway, which we will launch very soon. And if you got all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code. Let's draw with a little magic. Let's sketch a line to define her dress and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you want to learn how to paint a fairy, please click on the video on the screen. And I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.